welcome back. So we'll be looking at reference function. In the last class we talked about the lookup function when we look at VLOOKUP and what the HLOOKUP. So yeah, we'll be looking at the reference function, which are your index function and the match function. So what does the match function do? It returns the row number of the value. Maybe you want to know where marker is, want to know which row marker is, and maybe just like I said in the earlier class, where you have a large data set and you know that you have your product name. Maybe you're looking for a pen, you want to know which row it is, or you're looking for a ruler, you want to know which row it is, you want to know the row it is before you can use a formula or anything. So but maybe this product name is in another column, let's say like Q or anywhere, but you know that it is there, or you want to know which row it is, because you can't start scrolling and start looking for the results that you are looking for. So we are going to use match for that. And what does the index? Index returns the actual value from a specific row or column. You know, I said earlier that when you want to use HLOOKUP, it must be arranged this way. It must be arranged this way, horizontally. But in this situation right now, index will return the actual value, even if it is even if you are trying to look for something horizontally or vertically. So instead of you going through this thing of using HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, you can use this advanced advanced function, which is your index. It returns the actual value from specific row and column. Okay, let's take a look at what I'm talking about. So like I said, match, it returns the row number of the value in all. Maybe you want to know the row number. So now we have equal to match the lookup value. We are looking for pen. You are looking for pen. Then the lookup array, which is your range, is in B. You know that what you are looking for is in this column, but you don't know which row it is. Like I said, when you have a very large data set, maybe what you are looking for is in 1001, you can start scrolling down, or very large number, but you know that what you are looking for is in this column. So B to B, then match type, it will be 0 to bring out the exact match type. So when you enter it, you have 4 is in row 4. This is it. Pen is in row 4. Even if you change this to, let's say we are looking for set square, SQUARE, set square, you have 6 is in row 6. So that's what the match does. So let's look at index. Equal to index, you see, returns a value or reference of the cell at the intersection of a particular row and column in a given range. So it brings out the results from either your row and either your column. So index, open a bracket, let's say from B, then comma 2, close your bracket. We have marker. What did it do now? So index BB, our B is your column, which is your product name, where you have marker, notebook, pen, ruler, set square. So 2 means the row number, which is 2. That's why we have our marker, row 2. Remember, row 1, which is your product name, product ID, price, and you have your row 2, which is your marker. You know, remember I said you use your index this thing to get your actual value from a specific row or column. So combining both together, let's combine both together, where you have equal to index, open your bracket,